is L plus B. We have half the perimeter. Half perimeter is how much? 36. So half into 36 equals to 2 into what is length? Length is x plus breadth is y. Send 2 to this side. क्या आ जाएगा? 2 इधर आया तो this is in multiplication. It comes here, it will become in division. पहले ये कैंसिल करना है तो कैंसिल कर सकते हो आप. तो क्या है अपना 18 divided by 2 equals to x plus y. Now 18 divided by 2 is 9. Therefore x plus y is equals to 9. Equation number 2. So these are the two equations that we have got. Now we have to find the dimensions of the rectangle. So to find out the dimensions of the rectangle, we'll draw graphically. We will represent these two equations graphically. Okay. So now you know that how to show them graphically. So equation number 1 is x is equals to y plus 4. We'll put the values of y and we will get the values of x for graph. For y is equals to 1. What is x? X will be equals to 1 plus 4, that is equals to 5. For y is equals to, suppose 4. क्या आएगा फिर? x is equals to 4 plus 4, that is equals to 8. y is equals to, suppose 2. What will come? X is equals to 2 plus 4, that is equals to 6. So this is one of the solutions. What they are? Will form a x. We have got our 5, 8, 6, and y 1, 4, 2. 5, 1, 8, 4, 6, 2. For the second equation we will go. Second equation is x. I am sending y to that side, so it will become x is equals to 9 minus y. Now for y is equals to 3, what you will get? X is equals to 9 minus 3, that is 6. For y is equals to 5, what will come? X is equals to 9 minus 5, that is equals to 4. For y is equals to 4, what you will get? X is equals to 9 minus 4, that is equals to 5. So our table will be x, y, x comma y. So x are, these are the x, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, y, 3, 5, 4, 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4. So this is another table for us. So now we can easily draw and line from these two tables, and we see where they will intersect. As all are positive numbers, so I will take only first quadrant. Here I have drawn two quadrant, but there is use of only one quadrant. but you have your graph paper, so it will come exact, you get exact point to it. आपको exact point मिलना ही चाहिए. Okay. Now 5 1. Next 8 4. Yes. 6 2. So here we will get one line. को ड्रॉ कर लो. So this is one of the line. Another one. This is for x equals to y plus 4. X equals to y plus 4. Another line. 6 3. Then 4 5 and 5 4. Connect this one like this. So this is another line for the equation. Which one? Second, x plus y equals to 9. X plus y is equals to 9. You have to mention here scale whatever you have taken on both the axes. Then the intersection point. Suppose this is the intersection point. ये intersection point क्या रहेगा? Solution of the given equation. ठीक है? अब मेरा वो exact नहीं भी आ रहा होगा, लेकिन आपका ग्राफ पे exact आएगा. 100% गारंटी है. नहीं आ रहा है, means somewhere you have made mistake. Okay? Understand how to draw this graph or how to find out the solution? यहाँ पे जो रहेगा, तो ये आपको क्या देगा? Dimensions of the rectangle. What is x? X is length. तो ये x axis पर का जो कोऑर्डिनेट आएगा, that will be the length, and y कोऑर्डिनेट पर का जो भी पॉइंट आएगा, इस y कोऑर्डिनेट जो भी आएगा, that will be breadth for us. Okay? So answer in word is required. You should write answer in word. Okay? Thank you. Next, that is question number 6. What is question number 6? Please. This graph may be somewhat incorrect in my graph paper. मेरा graph paper यहाँ पे बोर्ड ही है, ठीक है? तो exact measurement cannot be there, but you have your graph paper where exact measurements are there, so your graph should be right. Okay? And x coordinate will give length and y coordinate will give breadth as we have taken it first only. Okay? Next, question number 6. Given linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that geometrical representation of the pairs to form is intersecting lines, parallel lines, and coincident lines. So the question is, given linear equation, question number 6, given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8. 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Now we have to form an equation, or we have to write an will satisfy the given conditions. First is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Now there can be infinite solutions. बहुत सारे solutions आप लिख सकते हो जहां पे आपको क्या मिले, intersecting lines मिले, right? So for intersecting lines we have one condition. What is that? For intersecting lines, what we have, that a1 upon a2 should not be equals to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2, the ratio of a1 and a2 should not be equals to the ratio of b1 and b2. So see, here values of a1 is, यहाँ साइड में लिख देते, here a1 is what, 2. What is b1? 3. What is c1? -8. Now take any value of a1 and b1. यहाँ पे c1 की जरूरत है, c1 c2 की, तो take any value of a1 and b1 such that these two ratios should not come equal. Okay, if a1 is 2, so we will consider let, or therefore the equation will be, what will be the equation which will satisfy? अब मैं ले रहा हूँ सबको ऐसा, x plus 3y is equals to minus 8 is equals to 0. अब यहाँ पे a2 क्या है, देखो, a2 is 1, b2 is 3 and c2 is -8. So what is a1 upon a2? If we go for a1 upon a2, a1 is 2 upon 1. Go for b1 upon b2. b1 upon b2 is, what is b1? It is 3 upon b2 is 3. तो दोनों रेशियो सेम आ जाएगा, तो as a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, therefore what, x plus 3y equal -8 equals to 0 is the equation which satisfy the first condition, that is for intersecting lines. Next we have to write for next is parallel lines. We have to go for parallel lines. Parallel lines की कंडीशन आपको बताना चाहिए. For parallel lines, what is that condition? That a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. This is the condition for parallel line. a1 upon a2 और b1 upon b2 ये दोनों इक्वल चाहिए और वो c1 और c2 को इक्वल नहीं चाहिए. So the equation, therefore the equation will be, क्या है सकता है इक्वेशन, यहाँ 2 है, so I will here write 2x plus यहाँ 3 है तो यहाँ पे मैं 3y लिखता हूँ और c1 तो ये सेम रहेगा प्लस 9 equals to 0. ठीक है, प्लस 9 equals to 0. 2 by 2 1, 3 by 3 1, means a1 upon a2 is coming equals to b1 upon b2, minus 8 upon 9, nothing. Okay, so here a2 is 2, b2 is 3 and c2 9 means here we can write therefore as a1 upon a2 is equal to, दोनों प्रश्न देखो सेम है, a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. Therefore which equation? Equation 2x plus 3y plus 9 equals to 0 satisfy the given condition. Understand? But it is not necessary that if I have done 2x plus 3y plus 9 equals 0, then you should also write this only. There are many such solutions, many such equations that may satisfy the parallel lines condition. There are many such equations that will satisfy the intersecting line solution. Many. Just it should satisfy this condition. It should satisfy this condition. बाकी कोई भी इक्वेशन आप लिख सकते हो, आपके मन से लिख सकते हो कोई भी. It is not like that I have written this means your answer should exactly be this. और मैं तो बोलता हूँ होना ही नहीं चाहिए. Don't copy. Learn it. Get a knowledge and learn it. Okay? So next I will be solving only these two questions. Third condition is for coincident line, and that coincident line you have to solve and you have to give me the equation which will satisfy the coincident line. Okay? Now next question, that is I think last question of this exercise. Question number 7. Question number 7. Have a look towards question number 7. Draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of triangles formed by this line and x-axis and shade the triangular region. दो इक्वेशन दिए हैं, दो इक्वेशन के लाइंस निकालना है और उस दो लाइन से और एक्स एक्सिस से एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्म होगा. उस ट्रायंगल के आपको कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिखने के हैं और आपको वो ट्रायंगल्स को शेड भी करना है. ओके, सो दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. द इक्वेशंस आर x minus y plus 1. Number 1 is x minus y plus 1. This is the first equation, so we'll go for it. y को उधर भेजेंगे, क्या आएगा? x is equals to minus y plus 1, दोनों को उधर भेजते. minus y को जाने के बाद में आएगा plus 5, plus 1 को जाने के बाद में minus 1. Now we'll put the values of y, we'll get the values of x. For y is equals to 1. Go for it. What will we get? X is equals to 1 minus 1, that is 0. For y is equals to 2. What will we get? X is equals to 2 minus 1, that is 1. For y is equals to 3, that is x is equals to 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now the table for it will be x, y, x comma y. So x are, these are the x, 0, 1, 2. Y are 1, 2, 3. So coordinates will be 0, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 3. Okay, so this will be our first table. Now going for the second table. From the second equation, the second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12. 3x minus 2y, I think plus is there. 3x plus 2y minus 12. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Send 1 by 1 to that side. क्या आएगा? आप y को इधर रख सकते हो या जो कोई भी आपको रखना है वो आप रख सकते हो यहाँ पे. So I am sending 3x and 12 first to that side. So it will remain 2y is equals to 12 उधर जाने के बाद में प्लस 12 आ जाएगा. 3x उधर जाने के बाद में माइनस 3x आ जाएगा. ठीक है, आप 2 को भी उधर भेज दो. यहाँ क्या बनेगा? सिर्फ एक ही वेरिएबल. 12 minus 3x upon 2. Now we have done it in a simplified form. Now we put the values of x, so we will get the values of y. Okay, so let's start. For x is equals to 0, क्या मिलेगा y? Y will be equals to 12 minus 3 into 0 upon 2. That is 12 upon 2 equals to 6. 3 into 0 is 0. For x is equals to 2. What you will get? Y is equals to 12 minus 3 into 2 upon 2. 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 by 2, that is equals to 3. For x is equals to 4, I will put. What you will get? 12 minus 3 into 4 upon 2. 3 4s are, it is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0 itself. So for this the table will be x, y, x comma y. X are 0, 2, 4, y 6, 3, 0. Coordinates are 0, 6, 2, 3 and 4, 0. So this is another table that we need to draw the lines of the two equations. First line will be given by this table. See here, you should put a proper number. मैंने 0 2 4 रखा क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी आंसर्स कैसे आ रहे हैं? होल नंबर्स आ रहे हैं. अगर आप ऐसा वैसा नंबर रखोगे या think before writing the number, this putting the numbers, that should give you whole numbers, integers, और अगर वो डेसिमल में भी आता है तो चलेगा. ये रिकरिंग में आने के बाद में आपकी तकलीफ बढ़ जाएगी. You can't plot it properly. So try to put such a numbers that it should give a whole numbers to you only. Okay. So next, here 1. हाँ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think enough. 9. No more number, better numbers are there. So first point will be, what is our first point? First point is 0, 1. 0, 1. Here we will get. Then 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, exactly here we will get. Then 2, 3. blackboard. So this is that line which we were in need of another. क्या है 0,6 0 6 then 2 3 2 3 यहाँ भी 2 देना है then 4 0 4 0 here it will come join this one now. Now what was the next question to it? This line is for x minus y plus 1. This line is for 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Now what was the question? That determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. By these two lines and the x-axis. इसको इधर एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा. तो x-axis के हेड से यहाँ आएगा शायद से -1. So we have to write the vertices. लिखो vertices. ये कौन सी vertices है? 2, 3. These vertices 4, 0 and this one is -1, 0. ये मेरे वर्टेक्स आए हैं. अप्रोक्सीमेटली मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि इट इज राइट. आपका थोड़ा सा इधर उधर चेंज हो सकता है बट यू विल बी करेक्ट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट क्योंकि मैंने ब्लैक बोर्ड पे ये ग्राफ निकाला है. सो देयर मे बी स्लाइट चेंजेस और दिस ग्राफ मे बी एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट ग्राफ because I have tried to take exact measurements. Now we have to also shade. तो इसको शेड कर दो. Okay, so this is our required triangle. ये अपना हुआ required triangle. Understand? उसने शेड करने बोला था तो अपन इसको शेड कर दिया. ठीक है. Therefore यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो the vertices are कौन से vertices हैं 2, 3 4, 0 and third one is -1, 0. So these are the vertices of the required triangle. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या क्या लिखना बाकी है? x-axis, y-axis and scale. You have to write 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter on both axes.